an early birthday celebration at my best buddy, Chumiaka. Okay, then we went there. So, okay, sharp. I cannot go in Majita. I think if Chumita highly, it's a boyfriend high.
Okay.
Here more, Fitla more, Bonadita for Lady Tala, so Nanikinella Savannah.
Poisonia South Africa. Hey.
Ebe, what happened? Chumiaka, I reckon a friend who only this other guy. I occupy Horekela. Le botolo. Se ke le active ke hyper jale se ke na le fatse ke driver. You understand? So jigi sa re tlo bala manana o tsalang. You understand? A re Chumiaka, come on. Ska re iketsa ngwana mo plasing. Go tshepile tsa le plan or what? You understand? It's a choice. It's a choice whether you keep this guy busy or hachojalo ansi a kamre. Khotlela ho motho ha ke sala le the guy. Ke sala le the guy. Ke tshware phone. Ha ke tsebe na ke phone la mang. Ke bosiu. Like okay, the guy a tumela pilak. So ha tumela a re tsamaya kamre. Ha ona motho go balang coaching. Ke re mara o ka sem fostelle re ke kamre ke sa itsebe. Hachojalo wang atumela and one tshware ke scream ke holetsa Chumiaka. Ke tswa ta ke holetsa Chumiaka zangatso. The guy am pushe. Better initially likely mnyako ham pusha. Ke wele like bethe. Ha ke wela bethe the guy a itahlele like kudimaka.
Ready to call it in 3, 2, 1, action.
Sanibonani Dumelang, everybody. Welcome back to Soweto Podcast. We are back again with another banging episode. Let's say, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's say, girl, tell me quick, hey. Ngwana keswa ufihlile la usali yellow bono montle sona. Hello Tommy. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Please introduce yourself. Just about to know mang hlak ai utumeka ing.
Okay, hi guys. Ke Karabe Chere. Ke dula Slovo Park Soweto. Ke auswana wa di hili la mtseba ke.
Ke batla mtseba o siwa ke mang?
Okay, like I'm one person oh simple, you know, ke rata ho kruva, ke rata mnati, you know. So anybody bum shorty or the grub.
Okay, so going to slay queen ma.
Yeah.
All right, I'll see o guy.
Hesi ke porky, but then ke dula Slovo Park. Ke sebetsa teng, ke mo teng full time.
Okay, and then today we'll tell the story saying.
All right. It was last year, October. I think it was 25. An early birthday celebration at my best buddy, Chumiaka. So she invited me to her place. And finally, it was not a birthday party as such, but Chila Sinyana, I had best friend is a high. Okay, then we went there. I was able to sketchy bamba, only the trophy. Chumiaka vele fandi one, nalena like we share almost everything. She was like a sister kunna. Okay, sharp, really hair, nati, the strings, you know. Olem nati, majita, introduce a hababa and big sabat saving, you know. Okay, I think around Boma past 11, necessarily late. Then we decided, okay, guys, why not get somewhere?
Okay.
Yes, like in your high, then raise somewhere. Yes. So, okay, sharp, I cannot go in, get colloid, majita. I think if Chumita highly, it's a boyfriend high.
Okay.
I can have some nati. I don't even know the place in Reluiona, but keep Freedom Park. It's not far from Castiarona, when I get one thing.
Okay.
Here more, I feel more. Bonadita for Lady Tala, so Nanikinella Savannah.
Poisonia South Africa. Hey, yeah, too.
It's a Lady Tala, who am not Savannah, Saranella di Savannah, who not. So, Quintana, obviously, Casamila Kaufela. Hasalori, Chumiaka Aliwan. So, secretly free like who everyone examine, you know, understand. Okay. I think that, come on, I don't even know, Renelena Koma. Ebe, what like on Chumiaka, I reckon a friend, only this other guy. I occupy Horekela, Le botolo. Understand? Kirmena, sorry. ga ke batle botlolo, but if lona la le batla o ka nna bua hore a reke le feng, you understand? Come on, friend, come on. Ka se disappoint ko tshepile. So ke re ke tjong. Any battle e re tla inwang kaofela like, wa bo? Okay, sharp a tsamaye. Mjete ha buile nna.
O banyana mjete o ke o lehlileng le ena hore.
Mjete re tlile lena. No, ha ra mkrea pele. Re tlile lena from Freedom Park.
Okay.
Okay, a tsamaye le gele ba ye chilling. Ba khutle vele ba imetswe. Ba tlile ba rekileng keng twi. Currents.
Okay,
Okay, na vela se nna motho le dibotlolo ne. But Fontana ho like Funati, partying, friend that like batho mo disappoint, understand? Okay, sharpo. Re nna tsana dibotlolo. Bon, Savannah Plus
Godens.
o understand? Okay, yeah. Se ke le active ke hyper jale se ke ma le fatshe ke driver. O understand? Okay, sharp. Ewe later on the guy wa tla pelaka o dula hona ona a rekileng le botlolo. So ha fitla hona wa introduce hi jang sharp. So o se ke mang a ke mmolelle ke mamang chomiaka o ke bivia chomiaka. So okay, how sa mindi ke kopa ho bana le wena like tonight ke re ka fela mos
Go wana le wena e jwang
ka fela so relax re mo sharp until nako e re to chase ka yona. I don't know, like I mean nalwe na really too ke no for today I can't kopa re celebrate the birthday of chomiaka ka ska me disappoint on understand. All right. Sorry. Chomiaka atla kunna a friend, you know I trust you ke as much as le nna ko trust, I understand. Tara ke tshwere wena ene ke tseba ke tshwere wena to di sharp ke ra wa tseba aki like haki mind hore o buella on which one no not. Okay, later on mga a re honna kana o itse o tsoka ke re ke tswa slow ara is no far. Okay, ha ba batla go tsamaya o tla njetsa then ke tla o khapa.
Okay,
ke re nna okay already ho late and sikili mal like filanga re ke need a rest. Are man relax sa santsane elinyana dulanyana ga tsamayang, o understand? Ke re ke na stress ke ba to disapenda baby girl which is best friend that. Okay, sharp o be mnate re dule ke enwe se ke tsa fela no ke ana mnate ka jaiva ke mo. So later on Chomiaka a re hona mogai o itse o tlo khapa. So o relax o rena re tla tsamaya kana komang o ska stress mara ntlong teng o tlo fitla o le safe. Oh okay, I'm not stress ke re man is naski sharp ke na no I'm trying so ke tlhoka ho rest ka tsamaya like no samendina. Okay, I'm like the Chomiaka vele guy ha fitla atle and then mogai a re no is fine if abatla ho tsamaya we can go. So ha re sa tsamaya le group e re tlileng lana kaofela se re tsamaya re le 4 ke Chomiaka le motho hae le nna le the guy I don't even know lebitso la hae but re mo kaofela wa understand. Okay, sharp ga tsamaye so keep serious and then ka mo ke nwele but tsela ha o tseba wa itseba ke bona hore man Slovo is not far from Morilem, but distance is a mail. I understand. So give it a Chomiaka, Kachum can be Hakai. Ara relax, Canton with a cap. So Cuisanto, I understand. Chomiaka, Laura Balamoko, Kizamakin Siki, I understand. Bam to say bare, Harate Winky, Cabonaman. More, you know. I'm like, King, sitting on that much, like Sabona. King with a lanky guy, you understand? Okay, sharp of it too, where he can go, Moki guy, man. I Mutaka Otonka something. So I don't let a can go for a sharp, I can. Hurricane, wow. Smarty. Yeah. Tarredule fast. Banta, bourgeois. Kira guys, Moki Haman. The guy and kapang exercising a little bit so high. Are ke haka so feel free. Ever free, how about la can it so I was like, no. Akamenta kona was linkisa ntlong. But okay, sharp, because now Savannah ki Savannah. Let's keep on. Let's keep on rentsering. Na take sharp rana. nka se jwetse le hore ne le nako mang, but necessarily late. You understand? All right. Later on, ebe tšhomi ya ka o kena ka kamareng le motho wa hae. Ha ba kena ka kamareng ke sala le this guy. Re le two. So I was like, kante re tsamaya neng? Wa bona? The guy a re no, ho late, so ka se le re kgona ho tsamaya. Re tlo robala mona re tla tsamaya ka hosane. Relax ke haka nda o ke haka, so o na le tšhomi ya hao, ke na le wena. Be free, wa bona? Ke ipotse hore, and then re tsalang mona, like, is this a setup or what? Because I mean, friend ya ka o free, kena kamareng, o siela motho ke sa mo tsebeng. So like, ke mo holetse ke re kopa o mpisetse tšhomi ya ka. All right, I'm meetse atle. Ha fihla ke mmotsa hore kante what's going on? Lizeria lankapa. So jigi se re tlo robala monana o tsalang. Well, understand. A re tšhomi ya ka, come on, ska tlo iketsa ngwana mo polasing, ko tshepile tsa le mpleni or what? You understand? Ha tšhola a re, it's a choice. It's a choice, whether you keep this guy busy or you understand? So, okay, ha tšhola ansi a ye kamareng. Go tlela ho motho wa hae ke sala le the guy. Ke sala le the guy. Ke tshwere founu, ha ke tsebe na ke founela mang, ke bosiu, like, okay, the guy a tumele pelaka. So ha tumela ke shifte. You understand? Ha ke shifta a re bona. Right? Re ba holo. So we don't have to act like bana ba banyane, you know. If o batla ho robala, di kamore di ngata. O ka nne ke na kamareng. Ke re no, it's fine, ke tla robala teng mo coaching. Ke ntse ke dutse so. Ha ke tšho jalo guy ke bona hore like face ya hae ya change, wa bona. A re tsamaya kamareng. Ha ona motho a robalang coaching. Ke re mara o ka se mfostelle hore ke kamareng ke sa itsebe. A re o tlo ya kamareng whether you like it or not.
Hey boo.
Ha tšho jalo wang atumela and one tshwara ke a scream ke hoeletsa tšhomi ya ka. Ke tswa ta ke hoeletsa tšhomi ya ka, tšhomi ya ka a zangatswa. Le motho hae a zangatswa. The guy ampushe. A nlahlele. Imagine ke ta bua ke na energy like how mpusha fela ke pandiri ka fefo wa bana. So I'm pusha like better initially bane like le mnyako I'm pusha ke wele like beteng ha ke wela beteng the guy a itahlele like hudimaka and then as I me ho nhlubudisa ke mo pusha what are you doing akwatse like ke mmona hore like le matla am pushang ka ona se ke utlwa no hore like this guy o kwatile ke le help tšhomi ya ka next dollar hotswa ke go guy okay sharp you know what let's do this mara handle like you said ore a re bana let's do it in the right way don't force yourself like re bimelan okay sharp kopa no untimelle ke ka ntle like ke lo shapa ke moya you know saying a guy no who lead you cannot go outside okay sharp ke re kopa metsi on senyetsa nako are you aware hore on senyetsa nako ke I mean wena o lwana nna ke zama hore like this thing ke yetse handle but wena wa lwana why are you fighting I ke shelo antshware ke ntse like crop top e hulela like le bra ha re hule ke a holetsa ke lla janong ke a holetsa ke lla ke tsuhile ke mona hore like the guy o changing the high salary that sweet guy en gana le ena kwa understand then like my god ndeng kopa o nthuse okay phone ya ka ine le ka ni setse ka ke di coaching mona go ditse ha phone e la ke re kopa arabela phone mme ke mama ka ke mmolela hore a ska wara ke tla khutla ka hosana okay sharp a dumele ka ke lo arabela phone ke tswe ke bile mnya a re na ya ka ke ha ke tswela ko ntle I don't even know hore king 18 ke shebe like on the other side like ke te kholo ikama then kamo hona le ke enyana ke khanne hore ke tswe likely ha ke bula gate ya buleha ha gate e buleha e be ke ma ke bsi a una motho strategy quiet I don't know the place where go kae ke shape be ke mat like abana hona le bottle la teng le na le sort of o khona ho aba yes e be ke khona ho ipata ka that part nyana ke skale vele be khona ho ipata mo le ha ke mo ke mmone ko o yeme gate like
Ntsa hlola.
mo ke teng ke tshuhile I feel like screaming mara hape ke a tshaba if nka hoeletsa o tlo nkutla o understand o yeme ja until a diseta khutlela ka hare so ha khutlela ka ke be ke mata ke a pele fela I don't even know re ke a kae ha hona le batho mo strateng ke mathile ka mata then ka jumpa skontere be ke bona di light be ke mathela di light tseo luckily ha ke koloi ke yo follow ya hlaha ke hoeletsa straight help ke emisa okay shapo batle ba eme ba emise koloi ha ba emisa koloi ke majita A3 le ngwanyana o iwana I was like and father what if limo but then I had no choice be ke kopa le ntuse then ngwanyana a re please guys help her pampotsa hore o mang o tswa ko kae what happened why are you crying understand but le teng ke ntse ke tshuile what if
Le bona ba tla phetha hape
girl o tlo batla ho rekisa but thanks God ke kene koloing ba mpotsa hore na o tswa kae what happened to you ke ba blele ke ba festor what happened ke sharp ke kene koloing khatsamaye bankapa balon tropa gating ya mo ke dulang teng that's how I survived ya ba ke survivile jwalo sa tsebo ke nkene ke le mang so nje le today na le friendaka ha re sa le azange mpotse hore that day what happened or what if nje abantu hore ke thula my own best mutune ke share like everything le yena I understand so that is why na le today ka sempone ke na le choma now I'm living my own life ke phela ke le one ke batle di chomi because I get trust
Then I wouldn't trust a friend like that.
And then yeah so another thing go it has messed up in life most because I ended up break up with a boyfriend only me and him on track because of like nese ke feel se ke tshaba like batho ba bontate you understand so beyithi noma angiphi hack umuntu ami ngifreeze ngikhale so uzongibuza ukuthi mfethu kanti what's going on uchangeile so cold ngenye indlela engayi understand but ngisabe ukumtshela you understand but yena wabona ukuthi like lo muntu lo aza ngibuza ukuthi awu yena uKarabo engimaziyo what happened to lo Karabo engimaziyo open yini ongithandayo like mangibuza lento ngizovela nje ngikhale ngingamtsheli next until today ngivele ngamtshela ngathi ngicela space I need to be alone akazi ukuthi
space for
in why all of a sudden sengifuna space nje amadoda around me Single nje angifuni wasana amadoda umuntu ozoza kimi athi ngiyakuthanda ngifila ngathi like yes nyabasaba I don't know la nyabasaba
I can imagine how you feel but that kind of trust asinto ungayithatha lightly cause umuntu beka sweet next thing sekajiga how iskhaleni just like that
as you
mara bo brave
tatazela maka ngipamba nje angithi bona kahle ukuthi yabona lo uzongibulala straight how then you could pray but I had no choice
because like you were even negotiating ukuthi uzofike lapho it shows braveness
negotiate was the only way ukumkhama down because bese ngibona ukuthi
uzoyithatha ngenkani
and like the way bekakwate ngakhona it was bekuthusa
so kahle beka akubhadalisela lamasavana lawaya or igodens ubhadalisa igodens kahle
so ilento engiconfuse ukuthi lo muntu suka naye le kumnandi uyena ongofferile
exactly
botlang why angang-approachanga kahle?
Akutshela ukuthi mfethu mina ngiyakufuna, wena
ngiyakuthanda,
ufunani?
sibadala, yes.
Yeah.
If bengizovuma, hayi ngaleyo ndlela. So now, being confused because angisa-understand ukuthi ngiplanwe umngani wami or ulo guy vele. Like, angisa-understand ukuthi umngani wami ungithengisile kulo guy. Or...
So engiyibona ngakhona ne, bowungathi umngani wakho usitshela ukuthi uyazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. Because uthe ukuthembile. You know there's that sign language yabugela kungayi wena chomi yake thoro wena ka.
Plus vele uyangazi yena vele ukuthi ngulo girl oh uyabona especially masakuma.
So bekathembe wena ukuthi lalela chomi siye mission. Kule mission le sophuma sigane kanje. So wena all you have to do is just follow through. Mara into ebhlungu ne ukuthi umngane the time you were screaming she didn't even come and check. Yabona le
That's why ngizibuzile imibuzo ukuthi okay sho ukuthi uye ongithengisile because ngiyascreama why angaphumi.
Hayi vele ukuthengisile umngane wakho because vele isuke ngaye lento le uyoze buwathi chomi ngine gig for wena.
Imagine
Mara buchomi nani nezi izinto wrong mara.
yazi sihlangana nabantu ngikuthande ngithi lo yabona lo nginiwe uNkulunkulu ngikuthembe ngayo yonke into yami ngitshele yonke into yami like ngibe free man now understand phela umuntu onjalo angeke umcabangele ukuthi mina I think if bekakhulumile nami ukuthi Chomi okay silana then kuzenzakala so understand hayi ngendlela abayenze ngayo leyo yona.
So uGuy yena did he ever offer you money?
Which one? No. It was ama-drinks kuphela yakhona beka. That's why ngisho ngithi I think ugirl uye maybe othole something ngam. The way izinto ngibona ngakhona. Yes. I think yena uthola something ngabe ukuthi ayakhuleka ngizokupha yena umngani wami ngiyamazi. That is why avela ngiphendula ngale ndlela athi hayi ngazozenza umntana semakhaya. Come on.
You know, that's why I'm thinking in her head she's expecting you to understand what the mission is. Kanti wena you're not there for the mission, you're just there for the party.
Exactly.
Ask you Chomi. How do you feel now? Because like I can see you still have pain in your eyes when you're thinking about this.
Yabona njengoba ngikhuluma so it reminds me lento leyana ngiyambona lo muntu the way beka angipusha ngakhona like sometimes inongifikela ngiyiwani endlini ngikhale ithi bengikani ngithu ukuthi yo what could have happened like I still don't know ukuthi like ngasurvive kanjani cause lapha na bese ngivumile vele ngibona ukuthi abona la
makwenziwe kwenzakala.
Yeah bese ngiyamkelile ukuthi whatever ezwenzeka anginayo ichoice case ngikude umuntu engimthembile nangiyascreama ngiyakhala but akaphumi so obvious.
So do you know where the guy took you guys?
Even today I can't say ukuthi kukuphi lapho angeke ngitshele.
Mara indawo yakhona be nice.
Yeah it was bekwindawo enice.
Ilokishi sababu kwenzalani?
Like I think isaba because njengoba ngisho ngithi sahamba isikhathi eside saphuma like ilokishi yabona ilokishi noma kuthiwa udakiwe. So like sihambe like isikhathi eside that's why ngibuzile ukuthi hey man le ndlela le ngathi manje sesiyalangaza athi ngena khuleka siya so obvious angithi mawahamba nabantu bemoto uzositshela ukuthi maybe ushaya ama double up price.
Yeah because very you're not suspecting anything because uGuy beka sweet
uzofika endlini kanti no siyawakhe uGuy.
Yeah I can imagine being in such a situation.
Yabana bobuta abahle na the day ngizojola mina impilo nami ngizojola futhi angisabafuni cause uGuy like yo ilava bhuti abahle nje yabona okham noma ekhuluma nawe uyamuzwa ukuthi yeah kanti phakathi
manje you'd rather not date a hot guy anymore. Ngeke usajoyine type yakho.
Never nje umjolo actually umjolo for now since last year until today.
Mara vele it takes time to heal.
Yes, I still need my space. Angibathembi at all and I don't think I will ever trust a man anytime soon.
Do you think you need therapy?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, because this thing, ukuthi mangifeel nje ngivele ukuthi ngiphakathi kwabantu ne. Sengiyasaba mina manje nokuphuma like ngiyokruvela kude. You understand? Kufela like around, but nakhona I don't feel safe. So yeah, I think ngiyayidinga because yangifikela mangiyibani. Ngikhale, ngimbone lo muntu loyana makangi like the way beyangibamba ngakhona ukuthi manje beyalwa bekasengangilwisa ngisibuza ngithi hawu kanti ngenzeni why kumela beso.
I think maybe you're mad at yourself for lento osifake kuyo because in this case angithi uvumile ukuthi ayichumi yasambeni so usikwatela ukuthi why ngavuma ukuthi sihambe. So don't be mad at yourself. Itshwarele. That you tla khona heal. The first step to healing is to forgive yourself because sometimes we also indulge in things that end up burning us at the end of the day and then we solo ukuthi mara beniyapi. Uyabo? Don't tloela ho itshwara ka pelo. O itshwere ka pelo. You are mad at yourself for allowing that to happen to you. So let go of that hatred towards yourself and heal. Because akusemadoda wonke kanjalo. Yes, I know it's going to take a while ukuthi ngithole leyo zethu uzongitrust loyo. Ne, mara ungayivumeli ukuthi istop impilo yakho. Yazi umuhle kanjani? Oh, maybe, who knows? Maybe it was God's way of getting you out of the streets. Because you know God works in mysterious ways, right? Maybe when I want strata too much, how we go focus and then something bad has to happen and then you get a wake-up call. Yeah, it's time to slow down now.
What can I? Mazithi weekend mangathi cho
no limotho isiphithiphithi ne
available cho ngiyapha yabo so yeah maybe
because I know myself. I also had I wouldn't say it's a similar exact similar ne mara lena nkile ka ba grovisti chon until something bad happened and I was like no more. And that was God's way of saying it's time to live for God now. Yeah, you're not to fedile. Understand? So heal yourself. Ikolele girl, ikolele because sometimes life
but how man
life doesn't tell you this is gonna happen.
I tried ne okay. It never happened. Idlulile. But then ngiyazama ne ukumove on ngiyazama uthi ngiyajola but ayithathanga even 2 months. Because beyithi mangimbona umuntu vele ngibuyela ileyanto leyana so maybe sijabulile sihleli kanje sijabulile ngikwade ibe ngathi mina ngabamba yena ngimo understand
so
yes ne-anger so
okay so usikwatele ukuthi you didn't defend yourself kahle kahle yeah ukuthi you didn't get a chance to fight back basically.
Exactly. So you
need a punching bag. That's what you need. You'll feel better after you punch it. Yeah, I understand.
Even today, akazi ukuthi why ngathi ngifeel break. Ngabona nje sengulomuntu ojumpy. Ngathi angibamba like even ebusuku masilele mayifika lanto. You understand uzongibamba. Mangibamba nakhona ibe worse. Bengathi ngathi leave me alone. So,
and a very is a relationship.
Yes, so that's why I've decided to go, you know what, let me just into some jolo. But Kruva is a Kruva, although Nasa Kruvi like before singing around like local. You understand?
Maro brave girl, at least you managed to run. You were saved by the ringtone. That call saved your life basically. And I go uba no phone level.
Bewusiswami.
Bekafila ukuthi intana something is
bekafila because normally akangifonela sisami ngaleso sikhathi kuqala kabe elele and azange ngiphendule nakumphendula because ngizibuzile ukuthi uyangibaza ipress ngemistake but I think after 12 late
yeah very it's not a normal thing
so usho ukuthi vele kwaba something nje fear wena ukuthi just ngikhona uphunyuka.
Mara nele modimo tshumi. Nele modimo o protect the get bona le batilele ke le buzi wena sa go go slice so riff. Aski se mara tshumi ne. Mara still you managed to escape. Ba ngata ba escape. Mara okay, what advice would you give the youngsters ba long hore bona they have friends like your friend and maybe by advice lifestyle mara it's just that one day it lo ba jigela lifestyle. How do you identify hore uzoshuba manje? Advice.
Well, All I can say mina ukuthi guys, okay, angeke ngithi mina yekelani ukuyokhruva. Ukukhruva kuhlezi kukhona, but then mawuya emkruveni siphathele imali yakho. Sithengele ibhiya yakho. Mangabe uya Uber, ubele uhambe emnantini ujike. Don't say umngani uthe uzibani. Believe me, nizongena ezintweni ezinzima ezihlungu. Ungathembi umngani noma kuthiwa.
Sorry to disturb Nechom. I'm trying to paint a picture of this guy. How does he look? Kimugai? Is he South African?
He's a South African.
Kimuzulu.
Yellow bone. Umxhosa. Buchini. Yeah, umuhle guy neyahle. Bekagqoke smart like wow. So nje ithema sekangichangelela.
Now what who then?
Yabona uvala luza ukuthi ngiphethe umkhama ungaphuma noma kuningi. I understand it. That's why bese ngizama ukuthi ngimkhama down ngithi okay, sharp. Ngiyavuma. Into eyifunayo masiyenza kahle. Hayi ngalendlela wena. So angazi usho ukuthi yena wabona ukuthi maybe ngizama
ukumshayasha.
Ngizama ukumshasha abangayingeni indabana. Qhubeke ngibarafu kimi lapho uzama ukumkhumula. Manje ngibhoye amabhanshoti crop top nje makayithi. Ngibona ngahle ukuthi abona namhlanje.
Sishubile.
Sengishubele, but then because uNkulunkulu vele unendlela zakhe zokuthi asikhiphe njengoba usho ukuthi maybe beyisign ukuthi mntanami hafula indlela zakho hamba ngazo, because at the end of the day
yalimaza indlela phambili. Fast life guys.
Ayona.
Ningamangazi lama lights adluwayo la eJozi nisitshela ukuthi hayi kumnandi eGoli. Ushubile eGoli guys. Nizohlangana nabangane aba wrong banithengise bese niyokhala nedwa. Be careful who you trust, especially when it comes to friends. Like she said, make sure you have your own money when you go to a group thing. Otherwise, if you are meeting a man and a man says, let me buy you a drink, ask that man what he wants. No. If he wants the kung kung, tell him how much you want for the kung kung. Let it be a mutual agreement. Majita, happy, this is a modern life we are living. Let's negotiate, Baba. This thing of forcing yourselves is old school now. It's like, it's really more fashioning, guys. Just stop doing that because you know the people don't get trauma. Nana, because of loan. And at the time, at that time. Guys, I don't like it. Please stop that. And guys, please do comment down below. Little thing also because it's difficult. I know the experience of that one because personally I saw it with my eyes, but at least I also got out alive. Mara ka lerata comment-ang le njwetseng taba tsa lena gore lona le kopane le eng mo life-eng se so. I ke re ka lerata. I'll see y'all again next week. Ciao, ciao.